Hello, I'm Terrel Platt with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. The cattle market has put on an exceptional performance through the first 7 months of the year, with values across the complex surging higher from feds to calves. The fed market has maintained prices above the previous cycle highs through the summer so far, and feeders are approaching records set during the 2014 highs. Looking back to the fundamentals, the January 1 beef cow inventory and prospective calf crop for this year continue to point towards tighter supplies in the years ahead. Although beef cow slaughter is running around 250,000 head below last year, the 2024 inventory number is expected to post another year-over-year decline, implying next year's calf crop will be smaller again. Add in the fact that drought is persisting in a handful of key cow-calf regions like Missouri, eastern Kansas, and eastern Nebraska, and another year of mild liquidation is increasingly likely. Later today, the USDA will release the July 1 cattle inventory report, providing a further glimpse into the supply situation. It's important to note that the July 1 report is a smaller sample than January and can be subject to revisions later. Still, the report serves as a timely benchmark to gauge where supplies stand with what we know today. While the report is expected to post a year-over-year decline across the board, some key figures to look for are the annual calf crop and beef replacement heifer numbers. CattleFax expects a 1.2 million head decline in the calf crop for 2023. Additionally, beef replacement heifers are expected to be down around 100,000 head, with very few replacements to start this year, and no other data suggesting heifer retention has significantly taken place through the first half of 2023. With smaller calf crops in 23 and 2024 expected, fed slaughter is forecast to post notable declines in 24 and 2025. The large declines on the supply side of the equation will continue to be supportive to prices as the market seeks to ration coming declines in production. Turning to this week's markets, moderate trade has occurred in the north, mainly at 188 live, 2 to 5 higher, and primarily 295 dressed, which is 4 higher than last week. Moderate trade occurred in the south, mostly at 180 live and 285 dressed, which is 2 higher than the prior week. Light volumes of cattle were also traded at 184 delivered, heading north. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.